Today we're celebrating the junior middle school graduation. It's an exciting day as we reward these students for all the accomplishments that they've achieved over the past year.
I just certainly like to wish all of my students the best of luck. They've worked very hard over the past school year with many types of achievements in all different subject areas at school and the residence.
Particularly for me, this is a special day. I work with the JMS Mentorship Program, and it's really great for me to be able to see them come from these shy little guys and becoming the young men and women that they're going to be for the rest of their lives.
JMS students, congratulations on today. This is a day we celebrate you and what you have accomplished this year and look forward to the future, because it's going to be bright, it's going to be amazing. We can't wait to see you guys next year.
And I just want to wish all my students the best of luck with whatever they do in the future, whether it's coming back to JMS next year for grade 8, heading to the high school here at CIC, or whether they're going on some other adventure exploring their education elsewhere.
I just want to let all of the JMS graduates know we are very proud, and congratulations to all of you on all you've achieved. We look forward to working with you in the coming years and are excited for all that you're going to do in these next few years.
I just want to send out my congratulations to all the JMS students. You've accomplished a lot this year, and congratulations for everything that you've done.
Congratulations to all of the grade 7 and 8s in our junior middle school program, especially to the grade 8 graduates today. We look forward to welcoming you into the high school in the fall. We wish you all the best of luck. You've had an amazing year, and we're all very proud of you here at Columbia.
Whether it's development in language or embracing the arts and performing in shows, it's a great day to recognize all of their achievements.
I'm really, really happy to be able to not only lead the department but also work with a great team of people to be able to give back to the students and to the parents. So I wish them all the best of luck, lots of wonderful experiences to come, and it's been my absolute pleasure.